Chapter 5 Friction Class 8 Science for DAV students. Friction. Here you are observing this figure. Force of friction. Friction. Whenever an object moves or tends to move over the surface of another object, there is a force acting between the two surfaces in contact. We could call this force as the force of friction or simply friction. Direction of motion, direction of force of friction. Now, cause of friction. Roughness of the surface in contact, downs. Cause of friction, interlocked, unlocked. Area of actual contact. Factors affecting friction. The force of friction between two surfaces depend on the nature of the surfaces in contact. When one surface is placed over another surface, humps of their molecules press against each other and get interlocked. The pressure values at the points of contact are therefore high. This result is small joints being formed there due to the strong intermolecular forces between the molecules of the surfaces in contact. These joints have to be broken apart before one surface can slide over the other surface. We usually observe and talk of this effect in terms of the more convenient concept of the force of friction. It means friction force is always acting between two bodies. We can now say that the force of friction depends on nature of the two surfaces in contact. While if you want to know about friction, friction will act between two surfaces. Force pressing the two surfaces together. It is interesting to note that the force friction between two surfaces does not vary with their apparent area of contact, their speed relative to each other after the start of motion. Static and sliding friction. Static friction and sliding friction. Force of friction is the force exerted by surface when an object moves across it or makes an effort to move across it. What thing? Moves across it or makes an effort to move across it. We can say there are two types of friction, static friction and sliding friction. Force of friction increases with an increase of the applied force. In other words, static friction is a self-adjusting force. In other words, static friction is a self-adjusting force. Limiting force of friction. Static friction, limiting friction, sliding friction, kinetic friction. Now, force of friction as a static friction when it exists between two surfaces between which there is no relative motion. In other words, the force of friction which balances the applied force. Here in case of a static friction, the force of friction which balances the applied force during the stationary state of body is static friction, sliding friction or kinetic friction. The force of friction between two objects when one of them is sliding over the surface of the other. Slide. As the sliding friction between them, sliding friction is smaller than the static friction between the same two surfaces. Simple explanation. Rolling friction. Here in case of in this figure you may say here there is a wheel and this thing may be asked in the examination. Static friction greater than sliding friction greater than rolling friction. Here wheel a revolutionary invention. Wheel. Proper inflated tires roll without sliding since rolling friction is less than the sliding friction. Therefore, there is less dissipation of energy against friction. Hence, proper inflated tires a safe fuel. Friction is necessary evil. You know, all things have merits and demerits. Here, friction has also merits and demerits. Friction is necessity. Walking on the ground. Without friction, nobody can move on the ground. For rolling, sand is thrown on roads when they get covered with snow. This is so because on a road covered with snow, the friction between the tires of vehicles and the road is very small. This leads to the skidding of the vehicles from the road. Sand is thrown to increase the force of friction to a sufficient value and thus reduce the chances of skidding of the vehicles. Here, sand is act as to increase the force of friction. What thing? Sand is act to increase the force of friction. For rolling, performing a small day-to-day activities task. Friction and evil or nuisance. Try to read and try to understand. Methods of increasing friction. You should know this thing. Methods of reducing friction. Polishing. We use polished jewels in watches to hold the axles between them. Lubrication, lubricant. A hovercraft is a vehicle which can travel on both land and water without much friction. It moves on a cushion of air provided by powerful pumps. Hovercraft. Ball bearings, here you are observing ball bearings. Flood friction. The force of friction on an object in a flood depends on the nature of the flood, shape of the moving object, speed of the moving object. Here you are seeing air resistance, crumbled sheet of paper, air resistance. In this figure you are observing. Now question answer time. Prevent, greater, increase, reduce, speed, bird-like. You may pause the video and you are able to write all question answer. Now long question D and E, chapter 5, friction. You may pause the video and you are able to revise all questions and answer. This is my humble suggestion to you all viewer. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for upcoming video. This is my 5th video for class 8 science. Thank you. Have a nice day.